That's the thumbnail done. G'day gang, Sky Pilot here, welcome. Yes, this is the 4K Eachine Ex5. I've recently done an unboxing review of this. Check out my video up in the top corner there, text and specs about this cool little unit. Today I am out in the open and I'm going to do a range test that I promised I was going to do earlier. As you can see, the clouds have disappeared mostly and the wind's dropped off, so I'm going to take this out into the forest there and see exactly how far it will go. A couple of different variants of this unit you can get, guys. Either a 200 meter range or 1 kilometer. This is the 1k or 1000 meter version, so I'm just going to see exactly how far it will go and whether or not it will travel exactly 1000 meters and return to home again. Let's get cracking. No more chit chat. Thanks for stopping by, folks. Smash on that thumbs up while you're waiting. Drop me a comment. Check out my last videos. In the sky. Eachine Ex5. Let's go. Okay, so it's calibrated, adjusted, just waiting on GPS settings. Of course, you can't just turn these on and fly them. You've got to get your mobile device set up, get your signals, attach it to Wi-Fi, etc, etc. So a couple of minutes of playtime. However, we are good to go. We have 11 satellites. Okay, I'll set my screen recorder up, have the Osmo action going up top there. I shall record the screen because there's no onboard SD in this unit. Get the recorder going of the Eachine itself. A little bit of wind, so this will be a wind test as well. And make sure we are GPS steady and it's not fish bowling or toilet bowling or anything like that. No, looks okay. Right. I'm going to take it straight off before I do, in case I lose it. Let you guys have a listen to this, have a look around. It's a pretty cool little unit. Looks nice, not too loud. Sounds pretty cool. Eachine make pretty decent gear now. Yeah, look at that wind. There you go, guys, wind test as well. Let's go. Let's go for that 1 kilometer, guys. Fingers crossed. I shall stick to the track, as that will make it easier to find when and if it falls. Let's just stop there, do a camera adjust down and up. Okay, that's better. Let's see where we're going. Okay, now this is in feet only, guys, I'm afraid, so if you're used to meters like me, you're going to have to do the conversion as we roll. Alright, let's go. Yeah, I've lost sight of it just about. We're on speed 3, which I believe is the fastest. Let's get a bit of altitude on us. 400 and... okay. So we're at 500 feet and I believe I may have lost signal. Okay. Plenty of satellites. Let's see where this Wi-Fi feed's gone. Okay. Ah, back again. It does come and go a bit, the Wi-Fi feed. 55 feet, guys, before we lose feed. No, we've still got feed again, so let's just try going forward a little bit. 700 feet. 12 meters up it's saying, so I'm just going to shoot up a bit. I can't actually see it from where I am, it's somewhere down there. Oh, no, we have feed again. It's coming and going a little bit though, guys. What are we now? 835 feet. What's that in meters? Don't think it's quite a kilometer. Let's just keep going. In the interest of testing, let's try and get to 1000 feet. No, I've lost everything again. Oh, she's back again. 977 feet. Let's just try and go a little bit more. Okay, so we're at 1,000 feet now. A bit over, no, sorry, we're at 1,040 feet. I think I've lost signal. Oh, it's sort of there. I'm sort of above the track. I'm sort of above the track, guys, so let's just keep going. I think I sort of know where we might be. Come on, Eachine. Yeah, I'm above the road. 1,200 feet. Okay. I'm saying it's about 1,300 feet. It's fairly windy. Still on 1,300 feet. Still have feed, so that's good. I'm right near that big tree in case I need to go for a jog. 1,400 feet. Oh, okay. Alright, I've got the... No, here we are, we're back again. It does come and go. This is a pretty new phone. In fact, it's a very new phone, so I think I've got the tech here. The aerials, I didn't do anything, so that's not an issue. I'm going to call that at 1472, guys. I don't think it's going to come back again. I'll give it a second. Oh, no, there it is. No, we're still 1,400 feet. Okay. 21 satellites. No, 1472, guys. That's it for me, I think. Alright. I'm going to push the return to home. What are you saying? Do not... Oh, something. I can't read that. Okay, I've hit do not operate any other function. So I've just hit the return to home, guys, because I can't see where I'm going. So I'm going to let it come back here myself. I'll let it come back by itself. That way I'm hoping I won't lose it. So while it's coming back, I might just quickly ask Google exactly what 1,400 feet is. Okay, that's a bit of a worry. So Google says 1,400 feet is 426 meters, guys. So not quite the... Where is it? Oh, there it is. Hey, stop! I'm here. Where are you going? I'm here. Okay, alright, so return to home, massively successful, which is great. However, it didn't quite go a kilometre. I believe I still had control of it, however, I couldn't see it, so I didn't know where it was going. So it's just coming down. Let's just see what it does. Oh, it's doing something. Sort of waving in the wind there. Let's see what it does with return to home. Oh, look at that. It's, okay. Hello, Eachine. How was your journey? And stop. Well, maybe it's just going to land. Okay. Thank you. Alright. Really good. So like I said, it probably will go a lot further than 426 meters. However, you can't see because the feed kept on cutting in and out. Drop me a comment, guys, if you actually know what happened, because I'm not all that sure. It should be going 1,000 meters, but 500 meters is a heck of a long way, and you do have to rely on the FPV feed to your mobile device to see what you're doing. And if that feed cuts out, well, you're pretty much blind, aren't you? So I'd probably say at this stage, busted at no more than 500 meters, guys. But still, a good fun unit. The return to home feature works a treat. And now I think we might do a height test. It looks like the recording stopped by itself too, so that's interesting. I'm not sure how long it recorded for. So once it loses FPV feed, obviously I didn't see that before, but the recording stops too. That's okay, that's why I had my screen recorder going. I'm hoping it's still going. Let's double check that. Yes, we're still running, excellent. So what I'll do now, I've restarted the video and let's just go straight up. And we're going to launch it straight up into the sky and see how far we go. And we'll fly forward a bit because it's pretty windy. If something happens, blow towards me rather than anywhere else. Oh yeah, it is windy, guys. Okay, off we go. 60, 70, 80 feet. 100 feet. Hello. Now she stopped. 122 feet. So I'm pretty sure I reported on the same height last time, which is about, how much is it, Google? $36 meters. I can't even see it. Where is it? Somewhere up there. Oh, there it is. That's more than 36 meters, guys. I don't know if you can see that up there, but that's not 36 meters. Okay. Hey, not to worry. It's reporting 115 feet. Anyway, let's have a bit of a spin around. So, I'm just going to return to home. No, it's not liking that either. Like I said, folks, thank goodness the return to home works. Yeah, just do your own thing for a minute. We'll just do a couple of passes here so you guys can have a look at it running. It's a nice steady flyer. Don't get me wrong, it's a good unit. However, if they do claim the 1 kilometre range, it would be nice to see it fly at 1 kilometre. I would like that very much. Get the recorder going. Go in the trees there. Yeah, 1 kilometre would be nice. However, if you're into these FPV Wi-Fi type drones, this is a pretty decent unit. Like I said before, Eachine do make some pretty good stuff. And overall, it is certainly a fun flyer. Don't take it too far away or you'll lose it. That's pretty much the moral of this story. And let's just sit it up here. Look at the range of the angle there, so that's all the way to the top and all the way to the bottom. So I think the key with this unit, guys, is just keep it in fairly close proximity and you won't have any troubles at all, and you'll have loads of fun with it. Take it too far away and do so at your peril. But just remember, as you've seen today, folks, if you run into trouble, this button here is the most important button on the controller. Returns to home. There we have it, guys. Push the button, easiest way to land. A little bit of grass trimming on the way. There you have it, guys, the Eachine Ex5. The 4K, 1 kilometer range budget drone. I'll take a couple of snaps now so you guys can see the picture quality. Okay, let's take a snap here so you guys can see the quality of the pictures. Snap, snap. To the sun. Away from the sun. And in the shadows. So yeah, not quite 1 kilometer. I think we've busted it at 500 meters. If anyone out there's got any further than 500 meters with this unit, let me know in the comments. Let me know how you did it. I've adjusted everything I can on my mobile device. I'm out in the middle of nowhere. I have no signal issues, so it's a bit of a mystery. Appreciate you coming by. This thing's a hell of a lot of fun. Links down below, guys, to this gear and all my other gear. Follow the bouncy ball, that's awesome, and appreciate you stopping by. Take care, everyone. See you next time in the sky. Sky Pilot. Bye for now. Yeah, also guys, I forgot to mention, most importantly, I'm going to be giving this unit away. So smash on that bell. This is going to be my second giveaway coming up. If you're looking at getting something like this or getting into the sport, this is a great place to start. So hit that bell and stay tuned for the details of this EX5 giveaway.